This is my honest review and summary of Pompeian extra virgin olive oil, smooth for sauteing and stir frying. We buy this a lot. Yeah, we buy it a lot. We really like it. It's a pretty decent quality. Of course, there are much higher quality olive oils you can buy, but this is of decent quality. Pompeian extra virgin olive oil is widely popular and versatile olive oil made from the first cold pressing of olives, resulting in a fruity and robust flavor. Now, there have been some complaints by consumers that there's inconsistency in the quality of it. I have never once experienced that. But if you look on the website, there has been some complaints about that. I've never once experienced that, so I can't speak to that. I've never had a problem with it. Loved it every time. So I would say I would highly recommend Pompeian extra virgin olive oil. Go out and get yourself some.